Hi! Next one, we got Stuart. Yan yung front, side, top,
Okay, what you doing?
back, and yung bottom. Now, let's open this up. Yan na. Base. Instructions. We have Stuart's card and Stuart the Jelly Maker. Here's the instruction. Open natin. Let's build Stuart. Goggles. The head. And then movable yung eye. Kay Stuart, meron siyang extra na interchangeable na feet. Tapos meron din siyang shoe. Kasi, ito, pakita natin. Ayan. This one's Stuart. Naka-trunk siya. Ayan. Tapos pwede siyang naka-paalang. Ayan. This is Stuart nang naka-trunks lang. Meron siyang hat. Ito yung kanyang damit. Yung shoes. Accessories niya is hammer, a bucket, tapos mga fruits. Cherries, 2, banana, and green apple. Dito kasi sa series na to, siya daw yung jelly maker. Okay? Kaya ilalagay mo yung mga fruits dito, and then, Stuart's gonna smash them. Ayan. Para maging jelly yung mga fruits.
And then it turns to this.
Lagyan natin ng clothes. Here's Stuart na may clothes. Ganda. Look. With his hammer. He's gonna work now with the jelly. Ito yung ano niya, backdrop. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more. Si Gabe na. Last one, si Kevin.